tell us a little bit about your sort of descent into Notion?
Right. So the biggest thing that I want to say, from the get-go, I'm not a financial expert, and that this is, I was thinking about how to explain it, and kind of a little over a year ago, I found Marie, and I went all in on Notion. I was looking for a solution because I was duct taping like Evernote and Google Docs and Todoist and Asana. And I was able to throw all that out. But, the biggest thing about the finances for me was, as I was throwing out all these other productivity systems, I was kind of backed myself up into Notion with my finances. So I, among many, hate to do my taxes.